إذا حصل عنده ما يفي بمصارف الحج وجب عليه الحج. Okay, so we said that if you get money which covers the expenses of your Hajj, then you have to go for Hajj, obligatory. If you are able to travel, إذا كان متمكنا من المسير إليه في أوانه. If you're able to get the ticket in time, if you're able to what? To get the airline ticket in time, or you got the airline ticket which brings your arrival before the days of Hajj, which is 9th Dhul Hajj, or on the morning of the day of Hajj. So two things, if covering the expenses and you're able to arrive in the holy places in time. فَلَوْ تَصَرَّفَ فِيهِ بِمَا يُخْرِجُ عَنِ الْإِسْتِطَاعَةِ. So let's say he used this money, which takes him out of being able. So he was mustati'. Now he used that money, which could cover the expenses of Hajj. So he became not mustati', not able to. وَلَا يُمْكِنُ التَّدَارُكِ. And he is also not able to travel because his money is gone. فَلَوْ تَصَرَّفَ فِيهِ. تصرف for what? He used it. What? The money which was sufficient to cover the expenses of Hajj. استقر الحج في ذمته. Hajj will become obligated upon him. He will be responsible. Now, even if the next year he's not able to, he will have to figure out to get money, to earn, to do extra time, overtime, this time, that time, to get money. You have to do whatever it takes to go for Hajj. Get a proper loan or all those kind of things, which does not become too a hardship for you. If not that next year, the third year. Until you have not fulfilled the Hajj, it will be a debt on your shoulder. إذا كان محرزا لتمكنه من المسير. So this ruling is not looking at the total ability. It's looking at two things. You have expenses that covers the Hajj and you're able to travel. So the ability of traveling is what we are looking at in time to arrive in the holy places. إذا كان محرزا لتمكنه من المسير. If he was able to travel next year, yes, you have to go. So next year now he has money. But are you able to travel in a time that you'll arrive before the day of Hajj? If yes, then yes. إذا كان محرزا لتمكن من المسير إليه في وقته دون ما إذا لم يكن محرزا لذلك على الأظهر. So if you're not able to arrive in holy places on time, then it will not be obligatory on you next year, the year after, and so on. It will keep rolling over each year until you have fulfilled your obligation of performing the Hajj. Al al-Azhar, most apparently. What does that mean? That means there's an apparent opinion and there's most apparent opinion. So what is the most apparent opinion? If he is not able to reach in time, then it is not obligatory upon him. That's the most apparent. The apparent would be like, no, he has to do whatever it takes to be there on time. But if he is not able to, that's another thing. So covering the expenses obligates upon you to go for Hajj. But then there's another component. Are you able to travel and arrive in time? If yes, then it will become obligated. If not, then next year, if you are able to arrive in time. If not, say the sister says Azhar, the same thing, it keeps moving on to the year after. It is not obligatory for you to try to get extra ticket or extra money or get a first class or business class so that you can arrive. That is not wajib. The wajib is whatever is in the expenses that can be covered, you do that. So the other portion is not a package of obligatory. It's part of an obligation if you are able to. If you're not able to, then next year. If you're not able to, the year after. Being able to arrive in the holy places and should be included in that, not more. So the extra, you don't have to earn extra money to get a business class or something. وفي السورة الأولى إذا تصرف المال على النحو المذكور. So if he's able to arrive and he spent his money, how did he spend his money? كما لو باعه محاباة أو وهبه بلا عوض حكم بصحة التصرف. What did he do? He had gold, for example, he was going to use it in Hajj. He sold his gold. Or he had some dollars which he was going to use it, okay? He sold it. So now what is happening here? He sold it. He doesn't have any money. So what is muhabat? Muhabat, that means free. He sold it free or with very minimum amount. Muhabat, to sell an item. The car is $15,000. I sold my car for $5,000. That is called muhabat, selling in less, or maybe $1, just because he's my friend. I just want to take something, $1. So he did not get any money back. كما لو باعه محاباة أو وهبه. No, he gave it gift. Somebody wanted to go for Hajj, he just gave it to him. Or somebody wanted to get wedded, he gave it to him. Somebody, he give gift. Bila awad, without any strings attached, without any compensation. وَإِنْ كَانَ آثِمًا بِتَفْوِيتِهِ الْإِسْتِطَاعَةِ, though he is considered a sinner for missing out the ability. إِذَا لَمْ يَكُنْ قَادِرًا عَلَى أَدَاءِ الْحَجِّ وَلَوْ مُتَسَكِّعًا. Okay, so if he sold his thing with lesser price or gave it gift, he doesn't have. So now we say you have to go for Hajj like a mutasakki', get from here, get from there, get a loan here and there, whatever, just go for Hajj because Hajj is on your shoulder. So if he is not able to go, nobody is giving him any money, then he will be considered a sinner until he fulfills his Hajj the next year.